What is going on, YouTube family? Johnny Bubbles back with another cleaning video. Today I am going to be cleaning these SB Dunk Tiffany's. They released back in 05, and as you can see, they've seen better days. Now today I am going to be cleaning these with Reshoevn8r's 4-ounce 3-brush kit, which can be found at reshoevn8r.com. For today's video, guys, I will only be cleaning the right pair for comparison reasons. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this left pair aside. All right, guys, the first step you're gonna wanna do is grab your adjustable shoe tree and adjust it to size. These are a size 11. So I'm gonna take it up to about the third hole here. Insert it into the shoe and then push all the way down, ensure that it locks. And what that's gonna go ahead and do is allow to apply more pressure on this toe box and also reshape it as well. So go ahead and check that out. Now the next step, guys, remove the laces. All right, guys, while I'm unlacing this shoe, I'll just chat with you for a little bit. How you guys been feeling about Nike bringing some of the SBs back? As you've seen a couple months ago at ComplexCon, Tiffany Diamond dropped the yellow canary ones that everyone went hype for. Then the lobsters, the purple lobsters dropped. Then the limited green lobsters dropped. I think this year they're planning on dropping some more SBs. So I would like to know, what do you guys think about the SBs? Are you an SB head? Are you not? Are you excited that they're coming back or trying to make a comeback, I guess you would say? Let me know in the comment section below. I would really like to know you guys' opinions on it. As you guys know that this Tiffany Dunk came out back in 05, which I was 15 at the time. It was crazy to hear. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below. Are you guys excited about the SBs? Now the next step is to grab your bottle of solution, pour a few small squirts into a bowl of water, just like that. And then I'm gonna begin cleaning the uppers using our soft bristle brush. All right, guys, I am done cleaning the uppers with the soft bristle brush. Go ahead and check that out right there. Let me go ahead and hit you with a 360. Although the shoes are primarily leather, guys, I always start with the soft bristle brush because it always gives me the most bubbles. And you already know I love the bubbles, so to get that deep cleaning. But for stuff with like deeper stains, which I don't see on the uppers here, I think the soft brush did its thing. So I'm gonna use a stiff bristle brush to clean the midsole and the outsole. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, guys, I am done cleaning the shoe. Go ahead and check out the uppers and that midsole. I'm actually gonna grab the other pair to show you a side-by-side comparison real quick. As you can see, that midsole cleaned up super nice. It's nice and white again. The uppers are looking clean. That tongue's not all dingy anymore. And then the back heel right here, as you can see, is all cleaned up as well. And the outsoles are looking pretty good. Now the next step, guys, to do is to clean the laces. So I'm gonna put that to the side real quick. Grab the laces, and all I'm gonna do is just dip them into the bowl of water and solution mix, just like that. All right, I think the laces are nice and clean. Go ahead and check those out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and let these dry in front of a fan for a few minutes, maybe like 15, 20. I'm gonna lace them up and then I'll be right back.
3 hours later.
There it is, guys. I went ahead and let these dry, and as you can see, they are looking super, super nice, guys. I'm really impressed by the way they look. This right here is a beautiful, beautiful shoe, guys. Let me know in the comment section below, like I said, What are your thoughts on Nike releasing SBs? Are they gonna make a comeback? Are you excited about it? Let me know in the comment section below. But once again, guys, I achieved these results using Reshoevn8r's 4-ounce 3-brush kit, which can be found at reshoevn8r.com. Make sure you check out the description below for a promo code. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and hit that like button if you like this cleaning video. Let me know in the comment section, guys. Would you like me to clean another SBs? Let me know. I'm Johnny Bubbles. I'll see you in the next one.